here then. Start with the big thing.
Yeah. Giant plate.
Big gold plate.
What you can do with that.
I should also probably... There's quite a few of these. I might turn them into earrings.
Oh, that would be quite funny.
Yeah. You can sit on the plate. Should I just get all of the...
Yeah.
ones I can see? I think there's only 3. 3 little babies.
Sitting on a plate.
Let's go for...
Oh, that one's gilded.
Oh, it's gilded. So it's one of those lovely little terracotta pots, which we've got a couple. We found a broken one, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we've got a couple in Charleston House, the 20s one. But that one's really nice. That'll look really nice in Charleston House.
Yes.
With some
flowers
in it. Ooh, okay, this is a good start.
That's not very old.
I don't know, it feels...
Lunby. I reckon
Lunby.
It's like 1970s, 60s.
It is.
It's reasonably old.
I quite like it. I might
been to
use
your
it.
doll's house?
Yeah, because I've got... Oh, I'm not sure it will fit. The lights in my doll's house are massive.
Ah.
Oh, I think... I can see this, though.
That's beautiful.
Look at that flower. That's old.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I know my doll's house is not going to see any of these flowers. I'm aware of that. That's fine. Ooh.
Oh, what's that made of? Vinyl?
Sort of, yeah.
Oh, that's probably old too then.
Wow. Yes.
Oh, it's like a tablecloth.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
That's weird.
Got a cushion, a pillow.
It's well made though.
It is
Might
well made,
go
it's
on
very
the beds
pretty.
in the 1920s.
Yeah. There's another one too.
Oh, I didn't know it was like that.
It was upside down in the listing. It's like handmade.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, no.
And it's not a bit big for your doll's house.
Oh, it's a bit big for your doll's house too, isn't it?
Maybe.
Oh, we'll have to decide.
1920s.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful. Look how tiny those embroidery stitches
I
are.
know.
Wow, you could pay
What we paid just for that. Yeah, this was a really, really cheap lot. Just very exciting. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's already, yeah.
Yeah, it's already worth it.
Okay. What's this?
I think it's an egg. I think they're China eggs.
It's glass.
eggs.
Yeah. It's a glass egg. A glass egg.
I think there's more of them in there.
Oh, okay.
It's quite a large egg.
It's an ostrich egg, goose egg. Oh yeah, I see.
I think they're eggs. They look like eggs, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know what else they'd be.
No. They're like hand blown, I think.
Yeah.
So they're pretty old.
They're massive.
Yeah, they are massive.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Oh, there's another baby.
Oh, with 2 pairs of earrings.
Oh, he's a different one.
He's older.
He might actually go in my doll's house.
Yeah, I think he could go.
Because he's the right size,
And
isn't
he's
he?
tiny.
He's tiny.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for this. Ooh.
Wow. Is that bisque?
It is, yeah. It's a
The
little...
flower's bisque as well.
Yes, I think so.
Wow, that's old and beautiful.
Oh, that's so pretty.
That is lovely. That is really nice.
Oh my goodness. This is such an amazing lot. Huh. What's this? This is something someone's made because it's got a little seed bead in the end.
Oh.
And it's like turned, it's like a wooden bead that they've then put a seed bead on.
Oh.
I think there's something else that someone's made with a wooden bead with a little
Are they
other
just supposed to be
bead
like
on top.
ornaments for on dressing tables?
Oh yeah, maybe.
Little pots. They're quite nice in the 1920s.
Yeah, and they're handmade, which is...
And looking at the age of this lot, I imagine they're vaguely old.
It's another egg.
Another egg. Again, I think might be for the 1920s. Might be a little bit
Yeah.
big for mine. Definitely too big for yours. Oh!
Someone's made that. That's just a real feather that's been stuck into a little wooden thing, like a...
Oh, like we did.
Yeah. Oh. 1920s.
Vintage those, yeah.
Yeah.
Vintage.
1920s, I'd say.
Yeah.
Not as in going in the 1920s doll's house, not that it's 1920s. Ooh, what's this? Ooh.
Oh, are they tiny thin trays?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful colours.
They're lovely.
Really nice colours.
Oh, they're lovely.
I don't know what we do with them.
No.
Quite
Or
difficult.
maybe on a dressing table.
Oh yeah, with those little pots on.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is amazing. I think I see something that could be for my... Oh, does it go with that? Oh no, that's a rose. It's a little
Is it a
plastic
lid?
rose lid. Little plastic rose lid. Oh, does it say something in it? It does. It's got a patent number.
Oh.
So it must have been on top of perfume or something, I imagine. Could probably go quite nice on the dressing table or something, as if. And I don't know if this has come out of something. It's old plastic.
Yeah.
So I think they'll
Little
probably
tulips, yeah.
go in my doll's house.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Plastic or... plastic. Still nice though, old plastic.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, sort of, what's it called when it's sort of swirly like this? Lucite?
Could be lucite.
Should we get all of that out?
Yeah.
There's a lot of it.
What might work in the 1920s though?
It might. Should you want to set them up
Set
here?
them up.
Set. Oh,
Oh, it
Just the
is
lid.
very cute. It's all here.
the lid comes off,
Oh
so it's not, obviously wasn't like a
yeah, it's not.
cheap set, particularly, necessarily. And there's another egg. I'm still setting that up. That's really cute.
Too big for yours,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
it could be quite nice. Do we have a table on the outside bit? Where the
with the plant room.
Yeah,
Oh,
it would
my
look quite
God,
nice in the
yeah.
plant room, wouldn't
Yeah.
it? There is another set.
Oh, does that go on the gold tray?
Oh, probably. Yes.
Ah, there you go. There you go.
It's really cute.
It is cute. Yeah, it would have gone on the gold tray.
I like the sugar bowl. It's a sugar, that's what it is. Cute. I see some. Should we get some more? Oh, beautiful old.
Oh, look at those. They are beautiful. They really are.
Wow. Oh, we're gonna have, I think there's some more too. Oh, pink roses.
What are they made out of? Is it bisque again?
I think this is these are glass. I think they're probably from, you know, like
Oh, like
wedding-
posies.
yeah, posies and
Posies.
stuff that they've. Wow.
That's beautiful. Yeah, put it in there.
I think they're
Or
probably
maybe
a bit
that,
small.
maybe that one.
Wow, yeah, we can put these ones in this teapot for now. Oh, actually, put them in here because the colours go nicely. Look.
Oh, look. They're really nice.
They are lovely. I think I see some other. This one's seen better days, bless it, but it's still.
It's older, definitely older.
Yeah. Wow. Maybe German? Quite a lot of these ones.
Yeah, could be German.
Oh, goodness, I dropped it. Nice. One more of those. Wow.
Be good in the plant room.
It would be amazing in the plant room. Now I'm starting to think, are they bulbs?
Oh, are they bulbs?
No, it doesn't fit. And also that's not big enough for, so I don't know what this is. Make a
It looks
good,
like the bottom of a bulb.
it does.
Doesn't,
It makes
doesn't
good-
go on the top of the chandelier, does it?
Oh, maybe. Maybe it goes on the top of the chandelier. That would make sense.
Oh,
I know.
oh my goodness.
I know. Okay.
I didn't think they were old.
So there's another tiny little. Oh, bisque, beautiful, gilded.
Put the flowers in that one.
Yeah. Jug. Wow.
That is beautiful. That's really
Yeah,
beautiful.
that's
The
really-
colours
yeah.
go very well.
They do. And then there's some. Oh, let's start with those.
That's been made by somebody,
I
hasn't
think
it?
it has. It's like a little plaster
Milk bottle.
milk bottle, with green top, semi-skinned. All of this I think should go in the 19. From what's left in here, should
Yeah.
go into Charleston House. It's the right size, and I think it would look really good. So we've got a loaf of bread. It all looks so rustic.
It does.
Got, yeah, there's a whole bunch of cheese. I assume that's cheese, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
The scale looks so cool. Is that bacon?
Oh, I think it was probably bacon.
That'll go with the giant egg.
It'll go. Yes, it will.
Where's the box? We're sorting it out, aren't we? Where's the box? I think it's no.
Oh, I think that piece of pie has been broken, unfortunately.
All nibbled.
Or nibbled, yeah.
It's actually properly glazed though, isn't
Yeah.
it? They actually put it in a kiln or something.
There's a slice of a pie.
I love the way they made the sides look like pie.
Yeah, like sort of spotty. Wow. And then there's
Is that a
pork pie, but it's sort of got in filling. I don't know.
No, I don't know, but I think they're all going to look amazing.
They're
We're
gonna
doing the
look
kitchen at this
We are.
moment, so.
Look at the cheese!
Oh, that's amazing. It's Edam.
Edam.
That's amazing. It's absolutely amazing.
This is going to look so brilliant. There is
I love the bacon.
a jam tart. Yeah, jam tart. That must be a jam tart. Oh, and then finally,
Oh, it's like a bowl of.
oh, no, it's like bread or pie. It's almost like an apricot or peach
Oh.
tart.
Oh, they're just not evenly put in.
No, which I love. Oh my goodness, all the food's going to look amazing.
It does. It's really nice. It's really
Yeah.
nicely made.
Wow, that was a
That was a really good lot.
very successful, brilliant lot. What's your favourite thing?
Probably the flowers.
These ones.
Yeah, just all,
Oh,
of,
just
the
all of
flowers.
the flowers.
Am I allowed to have all the flowers?
All of the flowers?
No, not for me. I mean, am I allowed to have them all as my favourite?
Oh, yes,
No, no, I
yes.
didn't mean to take all of them.
Yes, you are.
What's your favourite?
It's a cross. I mean, I love the flowers, of course, but for me, it's between the food and the embroidered pillow.
Yeah, the cushion is amazing.
Mhm.
That was a really, really good lot.
Yes, it was.